Good evening. I am Francis Nicholas. I graduated from Columbia Junior Senior High School in 1997. After an on and off relationship with Millersville, I graduated in 2012 with a degree in technology education. I started as a long-term sub at Eastern New York High School. In 2013-2014, I was contacted by my department chair about a long-term substitute position. I was hired permanent the following year, and I am still at Eastern New York High School. I teach technology education, mostly wood manufacturing, and a problem-solving course we call Push the Limits. Because I believe strongly in my profession, I signed on to be a building rep for the first time this year. The most important thing to me in my life is my family. I bowl and coach when I'm not in school. In my summers, my time is filled with home improvements. This year, I'm planning a kitchen remodel. When I have downtime, I love to watch movies, and I have started going to the gym before school in August. I'm happy to let everybody know that I lost 15 pounds since the beginning of the school year. I am a chocoholic, but if I can choose, I would choose a Snickers bar for a snack. How do students learn science? I believe in project-based learning. I believe there's a comparison between that and the principles that we read about in our readings. Learning science is a process of inquiry, observations, imagination, reasoning about phenomenon. Learning styles, auditory, visual, kinesthetic, are believed to be things of the past. I believe the more variety of experiences we give students, the stronger their knowledge becomes. The barriers to science. The first thing from the reading that jumped out at me were the preconceptions, because children learn first from their parents, and not that parents do not understand, but they were taught under the what-how approach for science. I also have a problem as a professional with the amount of time that we spend on standardized testing. We spend so much time teaching for the test, we limit the time for inquiry. In tech ed, we have a very broad standards base, and I question science having the same type of standards. How does your classroom adhere to tenets of science learning described in the module reading? Again, I use project-based learning. I teach basic skills to my first level students through projects and observations. In my second level, they start creating their own designs, using their imagination to incorporate things that they learned. In the end, they produce a tangible product and authentic inquiry. What is your perspective on STEM? I believe that STEM is not just an acronym. It's a holistic approach to learning. As stated in our reading, the integrated disciplines, they all work together. A way of thinking and problem solving. You need to be open-minded, use your cross-curricular knowledge to solve problems, supported across all disciplines. In my last class, we talked a great deal about engineers and how they must approach problems with an open mind and draw from all their experiences to solve problems. I believe that that is what we want and need students to do in our classes. Thank you.